Hey, my great teachers, you're welcome to today's class. It's your favorite teacher, Teacher Toby, the global teacher, the international teacher, the money making teacher. I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be making 100K monthly with a new app called Study Switch. Now, the first thing you do is this. What is Study Switch? Study Switch is a gamified platform that helps learners of all levels to learn using the most practical and the most interesting features of life that everybody like, which is called games. Since we have been born into this world, everybody loves to play games, whether on the phone, whether on the ground, or anywhere they find themselves. Everybody loves to be happy, and this application or website is the biggest solution now to the Nigerian education system. There's no reason for your child to say they don't want to read or they don't like to read, because now reading has been gamified, learning has been gamified. So what do you do to make your first 100K this month? Just follow me. The first step is you need to register. And who can you register? You can register through this link, studyswitch.org/general. The link is down below in the bio, or I will give you my number to at the end of the video so that you can contact me directly. So let us click on the link. So before I click on the link, I want to first of all copy this referral code. Once you register, you'll be given this referral code. I have already registered. So now I copy. Now let's go back a little bit. Now let me come in again. These are my notes. Let us click on the link. Now it's going to that platform. I said I have registered. Sorry that it's a bit slow because of the network. Now, can you see? Recruit into the Study Switch generals, not into a slow queue. Now, if for example I want to register a prospect, that is to say, if I want to register somebody in as a general, like for somebody like you now, you're going to click that link, www.studyswitch.org/general. Then you register as a what? Prospect. Let us see. When you click register as a prospect, do you see now? You fill in your name, your phone number, email address, the sponsor referral code. Do you see it now? So that you can register 500 students. Then you can cover 18 states. You can cover 18 states. So that is how to get registered. Now let's move back. Now, then after you have registered, you will get a message in your email. Then you now come in to register. You now come back again to click on verified general sign-in. That is to say, as a teacher using this platform, you are seen as a what? A general. That is, you are the most important person for this country. You are general in this country because you are the one building the futures of the country. So click on verified. Now you now come here. You put in the email that you registered the other time. This is my email. Then you now put the referral code that you are giving after in that platform that you have registered. You will see your referral code. You now copy it and bring it here, paste here. Now you now click on this. Now you have what? Registered. You get it now. Now, how do you now make money? You make money when you bring students. There are a lot of students in Nigeria. Every year, about 1 million students want to write JAMB. Every year, about 2 million students want to write WAEC, NECO. And these students are looking for ways to learn. They are tired of reading. They are looking for an interesting way to learn. That is where we come in. We have gamified everything. Watch, sign in as a user. I want to show you how you can enjoy it. Now, when you bring new students in, it will show you here your commission and number of points. That's why once you join now, you can also bring people in using your referral link that you copied from when you registered. Now let us now go sign in as a register, as sign in as user. Now I want to show you how this platform can make learning to be interesting. Now, after they have registered, you can even register as a teacher to use it to upgrade your knowledge. There are 3 ways you can learn from this platform. Solo. That is to say, if you want us to be playing game by yourself to test your knowledge, then one-on-one, 1 versus 1. That is, if you want to play with your friend, when your friend have registered, 2 of you can stand like this and you play the game together to see who is the winner. Also, 3-man challenge. If you are 3 or 4, you can come in here. Say the 3 of us that we want to play this game in their class, in their leisure time, at home. And that means once you register, you can off your your data, because it works offline. It also works offline. Beautiful. That's why it's one of the beautiful. You can't waste your data. So then you now move on. I just showed you now. Let us see. Let us assume that I'm a student. You have a student in primary 5 in your school that you want to register on this platform. So you click on solo. So you can see from age 3, age 4, age 5, grade 1, grade 2. Let's go to grade 5. Click on grade 5. Now there are various subjects there. Now let us take mathematics. Can you see now? Decimal fractions, decimal conversion. Let's say decimal fraction, for example. Now, you now say start game. This is free. You can even register people for free. Can you see now for free? What is 1/10 as decimal? That will give me what? 0.1. Bang. Can you see now? Correct. You're happy. So you go your question again. What is 6/10? What is 6/10 as decimal? What do you say as 0.6? Wow. Do you see the way it works? It's a game. I'm happy. This way I gauge. What is 87/100 as decimal? That is 0. Do you see the beauty now? That mathematics that you have taught them in class, they go home and play this game. And this game make them to store in what they have learned in your class to their long-term memory. That's the secret of students that are doing well in competitions. You just ask the child, what is 5/10? He tells you 0.5 because he has played it as game. To the extent that it becomes, what is 3/10 is what is 0.3. Beautiful. Can you see now? And it continues to read. I just say, even if they don't have money to register yet, this is a free. What I'm doing now is a free faction. So they can be playing games once they come back from school. So what you just need to do is share this link to your school platform. Share it to your school platform. Share it to your school platform. If you're a school owner, share it to your school platform now. www.studieswitch.org. Beautiful. Now let's now go back. That's the game. Can you see it now? That's the game. Let's go back. Now I want to, sorry, it took me back. Let me register again. Now let's now continue. That is how to sign in as a user. That's why we register as users. Now, can you see now? Then I can now go to one of you want to play with somebody, can come here. You just pick the person, then you can come in and pick the person you want to play the game with. So can you see it? And it's just not only for students. You can see it's just for people that want to do JAMB, for their GSS 3, A level, O level, and even for competitions. If you want to your school to, can you see now? You just click on this memorial competition. Can you see them now? So for students that want to do competition in your school, this Cowbellpedia Mathematics, Mathematics Olympiad, Kangaroo Mathematics, Word Memory Binary Mathematics, all World Quizzing Sport. Do all the competition that is available right now in the world. You just search your competition topic, you put it there, and you are good to go. Exactly. So it's for everybody. It's also for professional exams. For professional exams, let me show you. Can you see if you are going for, if you want to do QTS for UK teachers, if you have somebody in the UK, practice score, PMP project management, NLS bar finals. That means you know somebody is in the law school and he wants to go for call to bar. You just need a practice question. Bring them in here. This is make money, my people. Make money, make money. If you know somebody that is in medical school, flag, NMCN, nursing school, somebody want to go to nursing school or already in the nursing school, they can come in for the exam here. AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, Nebush, CAPM. Can you see these are different? Can you see somebody want to study midwifery, NMC midwifery? Can you see UK law? All kinds of professional exam. Even programmers can come here. So it's for everybody. You should want to pick your niche. Who is your target audience? If you want to tell people, or you just tell 5 people per day about this study. Tell 5 people about and give them the link on your WhatsApp. Drop it on your school group now. If you're a teacher, drop it there. If you're a school now, call a PTA meeting. Call a PTA meeting and tell them, are we good now? That is that. Then let us go back. So now, let me now go back to how can you make money? How can you make money in this? How can you make money with this? Very simple. Sorry that I'm taking you back often. My network is not that good. That's why it's taking us back often. Now, how can you make money? How can you make money? I'm sure you can use estimated general commission. I just opened this one, but I already have 5 points because I brought 5 people in. Now, this is my, can you see now, your referral code. You can copy it and send it to people so they can log in. Now, how do you make money? You come here, register. How do you want to register? See, register, look up everybody. Please pay attention. Institution. If you want to register as an institution, bam, you come here. Your school, you come here. You see the link of your school. You click it and you click on register. What now? Can you see register now? Beautiful. Now, if you want to register as a professional, beautiful. Maybe you want to do, you are in the university, you are a lawyer, you want to go to law school, you're a programmer, as I've shown you earlier, you midwifery, any profession at all is already here. Architect, and want to go do your professional exam, project management, just click on professional. You have to pay 15,000 for 4 months. You're paying how much? 15,000 for 4 months. You click here and you click on register now. Exactly. That's all you need to do. Beautiful. Now, if you're a parent can bring in 4 children, four of them, and for the 4 of them, for 4 months, you're going to be paying 20,000. 4 children. That is to say, for 4 months, that means you are just paying just 1K for them per month. 1,000. So you register them. So if you want to register as a student that wants to go for WAEC, JAMB, and they want to do this, come to this platform to learn. Now, can you see now? The student is spending 8,000. Can you see that my popular line? 8,000 for 4 months. He's going to prepare them for 4 months. The AID is going to prepare them for 4 months. Exactly now, before they do the exam, and they are going to pass. Thank you very much. So, once you come in here, there are so many things. By the time but if you bring in 10 persons, you are going to get 50,000 naira from the company. If you bring in 10 persons, you are going to get how much? 50,000 naira. Now, how does it work? For on every child that you bring in, listen to me, my people. Now I'm going to where you're going to make money. For every child that you bring in on this platform, you are going to take 10% for the first level. Those people that you bring in, if they bring another person in, you are going to get 35%. Sorry, for the first level, anybody you bring in to this platform now, if you join now and you register as a user, or you bring them, once the person bring in, the first money that person is paying, that 8,000 naira, the person is paying for that 4 months, 8 months, that money comes to you directly. If that person now brings another person in, that person, second person, you are getting 35, now 35 that person that you brought in. Now, this is multi-level marketing. This is beautiful. Now, if that person that you brought in another person as a user again, that person is making, you are going to make 15% from that person. I used to say for every person that is being brought in into this thing, into this gamified platform, you are making money. So what are you looking? Imagine you brought it a parent in grade 1, in nursery 2, and they are using this platform for the next 10 years. For the next 10 years, that's how I get to university. That is to say, you are going to be making money consistently. So what are you waiting for? Register now. Thank you. Go down below. Now, I told you I was going to give you my number. My number now is 07036535031. Chat me on WhatsApp right now. Let me go again. 07036535031. Check, call, WhatsApp. This is Mr. Toby Gideon, your number 1 favorite international global teacher worldwide. Call, WhatsApp now. It's time to make a whole lot of money as a teacher. I don't want to hear I don't have money again. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any issue, come in into the WhatsApp group and ask your question. Thank you. I love you. Take action now. Don't slack on this. Take action now. Thank you. God bless you. I love you all. Bye-bye.